Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to apply and animate 3D clouds in your videos easy in After Effects. I have shared my latest reel on Instagram and many of you asked to show you how I did it. Many of you thought it was made with a PNG image, but no. I have used a free 3D cloud model. Check this video's description to download it for free, and now let's begin. Click on Track Camera and wait until it's done. Once analyzing is finished, scroll the video and find the best tracking points. I will select some on the car here, because I want the clouds to be tracked right above the car. Let's right-click now and select Create Solid and Camera. Now I will drag and drop Cloud 3D Model, and note, AE supports only GLB, GLTF, OBJ, and FBX formats. In my case I have downloaded GLB format with highest resolution possible to get the best quality. Once you have dropped it in AE, make sure to click on Make Comp Size, cause the model you have downloaded can be large enough, and by clicking on Make Comp Size, it will make small in size. Now let's hit OK and then check if it's tracked perfectly. As you see, it's tracked, but it's too close to the camera and I want the cloud to be tracked and follow the car. To make it happen, select Track Solid Layer and press P on a keyboard. Let's copy Z position and then select Cloud Layer again and press P on a keyboard. Paste Z position that you have copied and the cloud is right there where I wanted it to be. But now let's press S on a keyboard and make it slightly larger. Let's reposition it and rotate if needed. Just take your time and place it where and how you want. Let's check it now. And as you see, it's now tracked and follows the car perfectly. In my case it's too large. I will decrease the scale and then duplicate the cloud. Let's rotate duplicated one and then move it on another side. Let's check it one more time. Looks cool, the cloud and tracking part is ready, but in real I have also used a lightning VFX. Let's drag and drop it as well. Check this video's description. I will leave a free download link there. Enable 3D on lightning layer and then press P on a keyboard and paste Z position on it as well. Then press S on a keyboard and scale it until it's fine to you. In my case it's too slow. I will speed up the lightning. Right-click on the layer, go to Time and select Time Stretch. I will change stretch factor to 30 and then let's check it one more time. That's better now. Let's rotate it and place it right under the clouds. If you zoom, you will see that the lightning is not behind the clouds, and to fix it, move Z position slightly far from the camera like that. Then correct the rotation and position and here we are done. That looks fixed and cool. Let's quickly check it. Everything looks fine, but I will move clouds and lightning layer slightly up. That looks better. Now I will apply an exposure effect on a lightning layer just to play around with brightness. Also I will apply a glow. I will use a deep glow plugin. Nice, I'm happy with it. We can now toggle off Track Solid Layer and then I will apply a flickering shake effect from my shakes pack. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.